Okay, we're going to carry on with this question 8 from Core 2, June 2008. We did part A earlier on. Now we're going to go into part B. We've got to describe a single geometric transformation that maps a map of this 6 to the x onto 6 to the 3x. So what we've got to do is decide whether we've added, subtracted, multiplied, divided by, and whether we've done that inside the house or outside the house. Okay, it's clearly a 3. It's clearly 3 times. Is it 3 times inside the house? Or is it 3 times outside the house? Well, to help you decide, inside the house means you put brackets around the x and you do something inside those brackets. Outside the house means you take your 6 to the x, you put brackets around the lot and you do something outside those brackets. Is it 3 times inside the house? Or is it 3 times outside the house? You decide. Then you need to remember what multiplication does in terms of a transformation. Is it a translation? Is it a stretch? Is it a flip? And decide whether or not it has an accident. And decide what the stretch factor would be. Oh, what a giveaway. Right, B2. The line y equals 84 intersects this one at the point A, and we've got to find the x coordinate of A. Y equals 84 intersects another graph. Simultaneous equations of an easy type. We're going to have to solve something equals 84. And then we're going to have to, well look, I'll give you a clue. Look, it's 6 to the 3x. These are the two graphs. These are the two y's that have to equal each other. So how do you find the x from that? Well, the 3x is inside a power. So you've got to remember how you flip between powers and something else where the power drops out, and we've had it before on this paper and I can't find it amongst those, so forget that. You know that 2 to the power 3 equals 8 decodes into a certain thing in terms of logs, so you remind yourself of how that one works. You do the same thing here and you're going to find out what 3x is, and then you're going to be able to find out what 1x is. So that was 8 part B. And then finally we've got another transformation. The graph of y equals 6 to the x is translated by 1 minus 2 to give the curve with equation y equals f of x. Write down an expression for f of x. So we've got two things. We've got a horizontal translation and a vertical translation because we've got a column vector. So the horizontal translation will either add or subtract 1, and it will either do it inside the house or outside the house. And the minus 2, the vertical translation, will again use 2. Will it be add 2? Will it be subtract 2? Will it be inside the house or will it be outside the house? It's vertical. Make your decisions. Do the question. Should be too easy.